Are AI bulldozers about to reshape the construction industry forever? With the potential to replace human operators and drastically alter cityscapes, these smart machines are leading a technological revolution. But what does this mean for the future of construction jobs and urban development? Imagine a world where towering skyscrapers rise faster than ever before, where roads and bridges are built with unprecedented precision. This is the promise of AI in construction. Yet, the most surprising aspect isn't just the efficiency, it's the sweeping changes in how cities are built and who builds them. And the strangest part is not the towers themselves. We will get to that. Chapter 1. The Rise of Autonomous Machines. The construction industry is no stranger to innovation, but AI bulldozers are a game changer. Imagine bulldozers that can navigate complex terrains without a human touch. These autonomous machines are equipped with sensors and algorithms that allow them to operate with greater precision and safety. The market for AI in construction is booming, with projections showing growth from $399 billion in 2024 to $11.85 billion by 2029. But how do these AI bulldozers compare to their human-operated counterparts? They can work longer hours without fatigue, optimize their routes to save fuel, and even predict maintenance needs before breakdowns occur. This is not just a step forward, it's a leap. Chapter 2. The Timeline for AI Adoption. As we look to the future, the timeline for AI adoption in construction is accelerating. By 2026, the construction robotics market is expected to reach a critical point with a compound annual growth rate of 18.0%. This rapid expansion is not just a possibility, it's an impending reality. Companies are racing to integrate AI technologies into their fleets to stay competitive. But why is 2026 considered make or break? Because the technology is maturing, and those who fail to adapt may find themselves left behind. The global AI in construction market, valued at $4.86 billion in 2025, is projected to soar to $35.53 billion by 2034. This isn't just a trend, it's a transformation. Chapter 3. The Impact on Jobs and Urban Development. Perhaps the most contentious issue surrounding AI bulldozers is their impact on jobs. As machines take on tasks traditionally performed by humans, what happens to the workforce? While some fear job losses, others see an opportunity for workers to transition into roles that require oversight and management of these machines. AI has strong potential to enhance construction planning and scheduling through predictive analytics and generative optimization. But what about urban development? AI bulldozers can build more efficiently, potentially leading to faster urban expansion and reshaping cityscapes in ways we haven't yet imagined. The question remains, will this revolutionize our cities for the better, or create new challenges we must address? As we close the loop on our journey through the future of construction, it's clear that AI bulldozers are more than just a technological advancement. They represent a shift in how we approach building the world around us. The potential for AI to revolutionize the construction industry is immense, but it comes with its own set of challenges and questions. As these autonomous machines continue to evolve, the true impact on jobs, urban development, and the environment will unfold. The future is being built right before our eyes, and AI is at the helm.